In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can post your Vue.js app to the cPanel. So this is my Vue.js project and I want to upload this project to the cPanel. So for it, first of all, we need to go to our project, a Vue.js project, which is this one. So first of all, we need to go inside this project, and here at the top, I'm going to write over here cmd, then press enter. It will open a command prompt in the project directory. So here, first of all, we need to make our project ready for production. So for it, we need to say over here npm run build, then press enter. So this command will create a folder over here called dist. So I can just close this now, and here you can see we have a folder over here dist, and inside the dist folder we have some files. So what we need to do is that first of all we need to zip this dist folder. So we need to right click here, then click on show more option, then click on send to compressed zip folder, and this folder is zip right now. Here you can see. So now we'll go to our cPanel. So here you can see I am currently logged in the cPanel. So in the cPanel we need to look for file manager. Here you can see file manager. So I'll click here and it will take us to this page. So here you can see if I just click here and then go down, here you can see public_html. Let's go inside and this folder is empty. So here we need to upload our zip file that we just made. So here I'm going to click on upload. Then here it will open in another tab. Then I need to click on select file. Then we'll go to over here, and here you can see my project. Let's go inside and we need to choose the dist.zip folder. I'm in the file. We'll just select this, then click on open and it will be uploaded. There you can see. Now we need to click over here, and here you can see we have the dist.zip file in the public_html. So first of all we need to extract this. So we'll just right click here, then click on extract, and we'll extract it directly in the public_html. So click on extract files and it will be done. After that we need to go inside this dist folder and we need to select all of those files and folder, then click on move, and we need to move it directly to the public_html. Let's click here move files and it will be done. So let's just go up on level, or what you can do is that just click on home and click on public_html again, and there you can see. So now we can delete this zip file. So we just permanently delete this, and this folder is right now empty. So we can also delete this folder as well. After that, what we need to do is that we need to create a .htaccess file over here. So I'm going to click over here file, then the file name will be .htaccess. Then click here creating file, and it created a file over here .htaccess. So right now we need to edit this, and here in this file we need to paste this code. So let me just copy this and I will just paste it over here. And don't worry, I'll also keep this 8 line of code in the comment section as well. Just check it out. Just set this right now and your upload is complete to the cPanel. So right now if we just go to your domain, you'll be able to see your Vue.js project. There you can see. So here you can add anything. Let's see if it works or not. Click on add. There you can see it is working. So this is how you can host a Vue.js project to the cPanel. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.